Unlock the gateway to secure crypto storage by learning how to deposit into your Safepal wallet today. Depositing your cryptocurrency into Safepal is a straightforward process designed for maximum security and ease of use. So let's dive in. First, open your Safepal app. Navigate to the wallet where you wish to receive your cryptocurrency. Once you're on the wallet's main screen, look for and tap the Receive option. This action initiates the process of getting your deposit address. You'll now see a unique QR code and your specific deposit address for that cryptocurrency. This address acts like your bank account number for receiving funds. For convenience, you can tap the Copy button to easily copy this address to your clipboard. Now, head over to the platform where your cryptocurrency is currently held. Euros. This could be another wallet, an exchange, or a decentralized application within that platform. Find the Send or Withdraw function. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Carefully paste the Safepal deposit address you copied earlier into the designated recipient address field. It's crucial to ensure you've selected the exact same type of cryptocurrency on both sides. Euros. For example, if you're depositing Bitcoin, make sure you're on the Bitcoin receiving address in Safepal and initiating a Bitcoin withdrawal from your source. Double-check the address for any typos. Once sent, crypto transactions are immutable after confirming the amount and any network fees. Proceed with the withdrawal from your current platform. Your deposited crypto will then appear securely within your Safepal wallet, ready for your management.